Bankruptcy case attorneys for Detroit's retirees and their pension funds are not done questioning emergency manager Kevyn Orr just yet. He'll be back on the witness stand next week in that eligibility trial. But before that, 7 Action News reporter Jim Kirchner tonight shows you how his own words may hurt him.
Kevyn Orr said at a public meeting here in Detroit on June the 10th that city employee pensions were sacrosanct, that they could not be cut because they were protected by the Michigan Constitution. But he also told the crowd on that date that they had strong emergency manager laws and even stronger Chapter 9 bankruptcy laws that he would use if necessary. His own words were played here in court to show he was heavy-handed.
It was almost threatening. It was almost threatening. I have a powerful statute.
Kevyn Orr's testimony today and what he said leading up to bankruptcy is to show Judge Stephen Rhodes that Detroit failed to negotiate in good faith with creditors and retirees before going into bankruptcy in July. That is a requirement.
I think he admitted that there were very limited negotiations prior to the filing of the bankruptcy case, and I think that's consistent with what our ASHME's experiences were, so we're a little bit, concerned.
Detroit has an $18 billion deficit no one is disputing. Pension underfunding is set at $3.5 billion. That is in dispute and could lead to cuts if they are not protected by the Michigan Constitution. Still to be decided here in court.
Everybody wants to wait and see how the judge decides the eligibility ruling and whether or not he includes pensions in that ruling.
City employees and unions wanted very much to negotiate with Kevyn Orr. They even attached a note on his door as soon as he became emergency manager in Detroit. That part of the story and this case next hour at 6. In downtown, Jim Kirchner, 7 Action News.